Okay, so I want to show you how to turn your Earth's biomes into something that looks like this, so that when you are done coloring, all the ones that you drew yourself will be on that side, and all the ones that you colored and labeled will be on this side, and it will fold up so that on the outside it will say Earth's biomes. Okay? So you're going to need a piece of cardstock, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and all of your papers. Okay? Take this one and save this one for last because it's going to need flipped around and be upside down. So we'll set that one aside. So this one, you're just going to cut the whole rectangle out as is. Okay, on this next one, you have little edges on each side, and that's what you're going to use to glue the last one that we just cut and the next one that we're going to cut. Then the next one, it has one edge at the end because the other edge was already on the other sheet, so this side will end up on that other sheet. Now the ones that you drew are not going to have these little edges on there. You're going to have to leave the edges on yourself. So the one after this is going to be your ocean zones, the neritic zone, oceanic, and benthic, and you're going to leave an edge. So this one should be your neritic zone, oceanic, and benthic, and you're going to just leave the edge over here after benthic. And that's what we'll use to glue to for the next section. So you're going to cut 3 sides off. So it'll go neritic, oceanic, benthic, and then you'll have this extra edge over here. And then the one that has estuary, coral reef, and Sargasso Sea on it. And again, you're going to leave this edge over here to use to glue. And then finally, you're going to have your moving water, still water, and your wetlands. And you're gonna leave this edge over here. Okay, and then finally come back to this page, and you're just going to cut out the part that says Earths. Make sure that you put all your scrap pieces in the recycle bin. Okay, so starting with this piece. The next one that comes in says coniferous forest. So you're going to put glue here and glue this down. So it'll look like this. Okay. Then put glue on the other side here. On the other side of grassland. And you're going to put desert. Desert side goes down. So this is all the ones that you had to color and label. All right. Over on this side, next to where it says you changed it to intertidal, you're going to take and you're going to attach neritic, oceanic, and benthic. Which you should have drawn pictures and written descriptions neritic, oceanic, and benthic. Next is going to come on this edge over here. You're going to do estuary, coral reef, and Sargasso Sea. So you have a really long sheet of paper that looks like that. Put glue over here next to where it says Sargasso Sea, and you're going to put your moving water, still water, and wetlands at the very end. So you have all your pictures now attached, and you've got this one little edge over here. So what you will do now is you're going to take this piece that says Earths, and you are going to attach it to the back. So everything else is on the front, this one's on the back. Then you're going to take your piece of cardstock, and you are going to put glue on the back of intertidal and neritic. So you're going to glue those middle ones down first. So on the back of intertidal oceanic zone, or intertidal and neritic zone, then you will glue it down. So that it looks like that. And then you're going to fold it inwards on each side. So where neritic is, you're going to fold oceanic in, and then benthic goes out, and then estuary comes in, coral reef goes out, sargasso goes in, moving water goes out, still water comes in, wetlands goes out, and then earth flips around so that it shows on the outside. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to fold rainforest in to meet intertidal, and then out, in, out. Arctic comes in, and very last then, biome will flip up. And there you go. Please put your name at the top and then put it in your binder.